Palakpakan mo natin si Reggie.
Reg, Ogie, you guys join us here.
Of course.
Ikaw naman kasi, iyakin ang iyaki.
Pasensya na. Iyak. Honey,
Reg.
of course, you don't know why I love you because I love you.
Teka muna, let's compose ourselves.
Alright. That was supposed to be happy.
Of course, it's a happy feeling. Congratulations. Mula sa akin na naging witness sa lahat. I've always been there, I suppose, seeing everything from the ups and the downs and yung saya nyo, yung minsan lungkot ninyo. Lalo na sa mga lungkot. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. You're such a man for doing this na sa lahat sinabi mo na gusto mo na siyang pakasalanin. I'm so happy for the two of you. I'm so happy. Finally! I know you've been through so much. So, parang ano yan eh.
Parang tayo namatayan.
Hindi.
Ano
Hindi
ba?
kasi parang